Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Medical experts say access to advanced technology is key to improving survival and recovery for some medical conditions, especially in neurology. Shemala Pullen has more in this edition of the Health Report.
Medicine and technology are rapidly evolving through innovations in artificial intelligence, advanced imaging, and robotics. These advancements were highlighted at the recent Caribbean Neurosciences Symposium in Montego Bay, St. James. Consultant neurosurgeon and medical chief of staff at the University Hospital of the West Indies, Dr. Carl Bruce, says embracing these innovations is essential if Jamaica is to strengthen its position in modern healthcare.
If you happen to, unfortunately, have a heart attack or a stroke, we think that you do not have time to board a plane, board an air ambulance, and to get to another institution for a time-sensitive emergency. I think we have shown that if we make this investment, then our patients will have a better outcome because there's no delay in treatment. And so this continuing medical education is a part of our thrust into robotics and into digital to ensure that our patients have the international standard of care.
Dr. Bruce says Jamaica has made significant progress with increased investment in digital systems and advanced medical technologies.
We have 3D mammogram, we have SPECS nuclear CT, we have a brand new 128-slice CT scan at the University Hospital of the West Indies, and we have the world's #1 interventional suite, the Philips Allura, that allows our stroke specialists and our cardiac surgeons and cardiologists to treat heart attacks and strokes immediately they arrive at our hospital. What we have to change now is the people who we work with, the individuals, and we ask everyone to come along with us into this digital age, into this age of advanced diagnostics.
Meanwhile, medical experts are also exploring other technologies to treat more complex neurological conditions.
We are using the opportunity to introduce the transition at the University Hospital. And those transitions have been threefold. It has been in our infrastructure, and we're planning this year our foray into what we call radiosurgery, one-zap radiation, epilepsy surgery, and surgery for Parkinson's disease or degenerative brain disease.
With your health report, I'm Shemala Pullen, wishing you good health.